how to copy someone's Instagram reel effect. Now let's say you have seen this specific reel and you see that the effect that they use in that specific reel fascinates you. So all you have to do in order for you to copy that specific reel's effect is to go to your reels, let's say right here. Now let's say that specific reel that you have seen and wanted to copy is a reel of your follower or following. Let's just go right here, go to following, and let's say this person right here. Now in order for me to copy this reel's Instagram effect, all I have to do is to go to the bottom of that specific reel right here. You'll be able to see an effect that was used right here. You just have to click on that and you will be able to see that this effect is used by many. So in order for you to use it to your own Instagram reel, you just have to bookmark it, which is right here. And now if you go to your Instagram reel and capture a video, let's say right there, you'll be able to see that Instagram reel effect on your Instagram. So that's how to copy someone's Instagram reel effect. Hope it helped.